2006, Miss Ana Maris Arcay Igpit. It's so nice to see you in another happy occasion, starting when you had a talent competition in the Miss Bohol 2003. I was the lady of ceremonies. And when you won as Miss Bohol 2005, and you have reached a lot in your life.
Yes, and of course when I went to Binibining Pilipinas.
Yeah, so what is a secret, or not really secret, but a tip that you want to give to our candidates tonight who would be aspiring for higher honors where it pertains beauty pageants?
Well, of course, practice really makes a difference. So I had the privilege and the opportunity to train our girls. So I taught them the basic of walking, posing, all the tips and advices that a beauty queen can give to the candidates. And most of all, to have major fun.
Okay, I was about to ask you that. Fresh from her victory. Okay. If you were asked that question of Venus Rao, what would have been your answer?
You know, telling the biggest mistake of your life to the whole world is actually not easy, right? But if ever I'd be given that question, I would say that I've committed a lot of mistakes in my life. It helped me to be who I am now. But for me, mistakes in life are supposed to be forgotten, but what remains are the lessons that we gain from it. So if you still insist on asking me my biggest mistake in my life, I'm very sorry, but I've decided
to answer. We all have moments, and what matters is we have met and up through we fall. Okay, any shows that you would want to plug to the people around?
Well, I'm still with GMA 7, no, Kapuso Gihapunta. So please continue to watch our shows over GMA 7. It's every Sunday, that's 8:30. We have TV specials. So I go around the different islands in the Philippines. So I just came from Davao with Marco Alcaraz. So we'll be showing the beauty of Davao over Channel 7 on Saturday at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, just recently the image of our country was besmirched with the hostage taking. Any special effort that you would want to exert just to regain the image of the Philippines as a peaceful country?
Okay, Q&A.
Yes.
Well, I'm a tourism student, and I'm very saddened by what happened to our country in the recent hostage taking. But I think the number one, the best thing that we could all offer is our prayers. Prayers can do wonders. Only God knows. I think God has his own reasons why it happened. It can be the biggest stumble that the Philippines, this country, and even our president would experience. But after a great stumble, we should all rise up, and who knows, the Philippines might be one of the best countries again, and we could place it in the map in the world once again.
Okay, finally, Maurice, to wrap up our question and answer portion, your message to the Panglawanans.
Sa tanan mga taga-Panglao, maayong gabi idira. Of course, nagpasalamat kog dako kay aniya kamong tanan nga nagsuporta gyud mo sa atong pinakaunang Miss Panglao. Ako wala gyud ko ni agi in town og Miss Panglao, no. I hope and I wish na I went through the same pageant. But dako kayo kong pasalamat ni Tita Nila Montero and of course ni Aya, no, apil na sa si Sir Ondo, kay sila in town nagtabang kanako nga maabot dito sa Binibining Pilipinas ang ato ang lungsod, ug karon dako na sad nga oportunidad ilang gihatag para kanatong tanan nga makapili na punta og laing kanang maanyag nga dalaga diri sa Panglao, kanang mga batang gagmay may unta mahimo ning inspirasyon ninyo in the future. Kay kaning beauty pageants dili lang ni siya paggwapa, no, actually maka-help ni siya og develop your personality. At the same time dako sa din taon ni og kanang ma-contribute nimo as a Panglawanon sa imong lungsod. Ako wa damha usa ka taga-isla, usa ka Panglawanon ni abot dito sa Miss World. So may unta puhon makadana po tag usa ka Panglawanon nga pure gid nga Panglawanon dito sa international stage. Daghan kayong salamat.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's give it up once again for Binibining Pilipinas 2003. 2006, Anna Marie Sapit, one of our own. May you continue
Ladies
to
and
be an
gentlemen,
inspiration.
truly the epitome of beauty, brains, and breeding. Hatagan sa masipagpagpagpahigan. Thank you, Anna Maris. Thank you very much.